Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to fix the computer problem if your computer freezes, browser not responding, computer is slow at the startup, overall performance is not good, computer is lagging, your PC is actually lagging. So we will be doing 10 simple steps to fix this problem. And make sure you follow all the steps. Because if you miss even a single step, you might not be able to fix this problem permanently. So we are going to fix this, and I'm sure once you are done with this, your computer will be way better and it will act like a brand new computer. So let's get started. So at the left hand side in the search bar, type power. So once you type power, you will get power and sleep settings. So I'll click on that, and at the right hand side you see additional power settings. So we are going to change the power plan, which will increase the computer performance drastically. So here you need to select change plan settings. Here you will find change advanced power settings. From here you can select the high performance. In my since it's a work computer, I don't have this option, but you will definitely have this option. So select the power plan, high performance, click on apply, and then OK. If you don't find that option, what you can do is at the left hand side, create a power plan. So once you create a power plan, you can name that and click on next, and here you will get the option to select high performance. Once we are done, we will move to the next step. We need to uninstall unwanted applications from the computer. So your computer may be slow because of there are a lot of junk, a lot of unwanted applications sitting there and making the computer slow. So for that, you just need to type in the search bar add space or, and you will find add or remove program. Now once you are here, make sure you uninstall anything which is unwanted. If for that, you just have to select that and you just need to click on uninstall. So in this manner, you will be able to get rid of all unwanted applications. Once you're done, we will move to the third step. And as I said, all steps are very important. So make sure you don't miss any of the steps. So I'll just close this and we will move to the third step, which is deleting the junk files, the unnecessary files from the computer. And for that, we will be doing 4 steps. So what you can do is at the left hand side, at the start, just do a right click and go to run. And here we need to type temp. So I'll just zoom it out so that you can see, and I'll just hit enter and I'll get this option. So select any of the file, press Ctrl A and then Shift Delete on your keyboard. So when you press Shift and Delete, you permanently delete all the junks, and this will increase the performance of the computer. And if your PC is lagging, that will be also fixed. So I'll just close this and we will move to the next step. Again, we will open the run window. You can also search the run command and then just click on open, and this time we will type %temp %. Now I will zoom it out so that you can see, and I'll press enter. Now this is another location of junk. All these files are not created by you. These are all system generated files which needs to be deleted. To increase the performance, I'll select any of the file, press Ctrl A and then Shift Delete, and it will delete all the junks permanent. So if some of the files gets remaining, not to worry about it, that's absolutely fine. You can simply cancel it. And I'll move to the next step, which is again, I need to open the run. So I'll just type run, and this time I'll type prefetch. So this is the command. I'll just zoom it out. Prefetch, prefetch, and I'll hit enter. It will ask for the permission, so I'll click on continue. I'll select any of the file, press Ctrl A and then Shift Delete. So once this is done, we will do another thing to open the run command, and this time we will type clean mgr. Clean mgr and hit OK. So the moment I do it, this is my favorite thing, which I do it on a random basis. Select all the check marks and click on OK. It will wipe out all the chunks, registries, bad files created in the computer will be cleaned. Once this is done, we will move to the next step, is the startup. So we need to disable some startup programs, unwanted programs. So you can do a right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager, and then we will go to startup item. Make sure you disable all unwanted applications. Like, let's say if I do not want Skype at the startup, I'll just do a right click and I'll click on disable. Since it's already disabled, it's asking me to enable. So you can select and disable or enable from here. This will drastically change the performance, increase the performance of your computer. And if your computer is lagging, if it's slow at startup, this will fix. This is a major step which you need to do. Now the next step which we are going to do is to disable a service which takes a lot of usage, lot of memory. So I'll just open the run command, run window, and I will type services.msc. So once you have typed services.msc, click on OK, and a services window will appear very soon. So I'll just maximize it so that you can see, and I'll type sys, and I found this sysmain, which is actually a superfetch service. So you do not need that. You just need to do a right click, go to properties and select disabled, click on apply and then OK. In my computer, I have already disabled that. So this will help your computer run faster. So you can do that. So we'll move to the next step, and that step is scanning for viruses or malicious software in the computer. You can use Malwarebytes, Super Anti-Spyware, Avast, Bitdefender. So I'm going to run a Malwarebyte. So for that, you just need to type Malwarebytes like this, and you will get this option, malwarebytes.com. You download that file, free download, and you install it and scan for virus infection. Because if there is a virus in your computer and if it's running in the background, it will take a lot of resources and it will always keep your computer slow. So make sure you do this step. You can do this, either you can run Malwarebytes or you can simply search in the search bar. I'll just maximize it. You just need to type Hitman Pro malware removal 2. Hit enter and you will find https hitmanpro.com. This is another great free software which you can install it and scan for viruses. So once the website is open, it will look like this. It has a 30-day free trial which you can install it and scan for virus. Once this is done, we will move to the next step, which is a browser cleanup. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can open that, and I'll just maximize it. Click on the three dots at the very top right hand corner and go to settings, and here we are going to advanced, and I'll click on reset and cleanup, restore settings to their original defaults. Now this will not delete your bookmarks or passwords or anything. So you can simply click on reset settings and then move to the next step. Now you need to click on extensions and make sure you do not have any unwanted extension, and if you have it, you can simply click on remove. Now the last step, the 10th step, is to update the Windows. Now most of us forget to update the Windows, which is not at all recommended. A good practice is always get the Microsoft updates to ensure your computer is replaced by fresh Microsoft files, which is always good. So for that, you just need to type Windows and you will find Windows Update Settings, and here you can download or you will have check for updates. So once you download, it will restart the computer several times. It may take time, it depends on the speed of your internet. So once you download, you restart the computer and see the performance. Let me know in the comment section after doing all these 10 steps. Is your computer faster? Are you happy with your computer now or not? If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have not liked or subscribed, please hit the like and subscribe. And I want you guys to share this video as much as you can. Guys, please share this video to your loved ones, to your family, so that they can also get benefited. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day.